Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to split table by row or column in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to insert a new table, so I go to Insert, then I click on Table and I select number of rows and number of columns that I want to insert. So for example, I select here 3 rows and 3 columns. Then table has been successfully inserted here, so I will fill it with the text. So I type here text, maybe here text number 2, here text number 2, text number 2, and here maybe text number 3, text number 3, and text number 3. Okay, so now if you would like to split the table, you need to click somewhere outside the column. And now I need to click somewhere on the row which I want to split. So for example, I click somewhere here, then I go to Split Table Settings, and I select here Split Table by Row. So it has been successfully splitted. But if you would like to split row by column, you need to click, for example, somewhere here, and after that you will be able to select this one option, Split Table by Column. And how you see, it has been successfully splitted. So in this way you can easily split rows and columns in WPS Office. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.